Purple Mash Library is now available to all Purple Mash users. It has been developed to encourage a love of reading for all children wherever they are, offering an engaging anytime, anywhere library environment. Purple Mash Library is a safe, secure, GDPR-compliant, flexible solution that can be used for a variety of different reading scenarios. Purple Mash Library has an extensive library of over 250 high-quality books covering a wide variety of genres, all of which have been carefully commissioned and curated to meet the needs of children for a wide range of ages and abilities. For example, Comet's library has been produced to support reading stamina for those children engaging with longer texts. Each book comes with online quiz activities for individual chapters of a book, supporting children to think about what they have read and inferred. Teachers can schedule an entire book and its related activities in just a few clicks, allowing previously released books to be reserialized, scheduled, and delivered for your children to read and complete. Our innovative e-reader presents texts in a format that can be tailored to meet the needs of children at every level. Fonts can be changed, resized, and recolored. Unfamiliar vocabulary is highlighted to allow children to deepen their understanding. A growing number of books now allow teachers to support pupils by providing a state-of-the-art audio player. This highlights each word of the book as it is read by one of our talented actors, allowing children to follow along.
Emily MacLeod was not Norwegian, and she did not live in the Viking era.
Purple Mash Library reading journals offer a manageable, cost-effective alternative to schools who may be currently purchasing physical reading journals or printing their own. The reading journals help to promote reading at home and engagement within the family. Any book read by a child in a library is automatically recorded. Furthermore, the Purple Mash Library Reading Journal can be used with books outside of Purple Mash Library. Simply by searching for a book title, ISBN, or even on certain browsers, scanning the barcode of a book. Children, families, and teachers can comment on any reading journal entry. Teachers can even give digital stickers to reward children and encourage engagement. Through the data area, teachers are able to identify children's reading patterns and behaviours, allowing them to identify children who are in need of support, intervention, and encouragement. This saves teachers time and gives a clear picture of how much reading is taking place for an individual child, group, class, or school. The Dorling Kindersley Library provides high-quality texts that can be used to support teaching and learning in the classroom and evoke further interest in topics beyond it. Explore Purple Mash Library today.